India is massive, and riding through all 28 states in 28 days sounded like an insane idea. But sometimes you just have to say yes to the madness. This is the story of the road, the people, the chai, the breakdowns, and everything in between. I didn't want this ride to just be about kilometers. I wanted it to be about discovering India in its raw, everyday form. The small towns, the unexpected kindness, the random conversations at dhabas. Long rides like this has taught me one thing. Stop whenever you can, hydrate, stretch and breathe.
We've just ridden through 15 states of India and we're halfway through. But I have to say that the Nayara Energy pumps are throughout the country. We don't have to search for them because we come across them all the time.
Wow, these camels must be like almost 3 meters. They're so big. Wow. How do you like that?
Yeah, the things you see on Indian roads, now we see camels.
Didn't you want to see camels all day?
Yeah.
Wow, now you see such big ones.
मंदिर
हाँ.
इसका नाम दिल्लू
और दूसरा?
और दूसरे का नाम जानू
Wow.
Janu?
Yeah, Janu.
बस मन तो आई तो रेट ले ना कोई तो
So on this ride, whenever we spotted a Nayara station, it became an easy choice. Clean washrooms, quick fuel, and usually a good spot to reset for a few minutes before the next 300 kilometers.
So while we're at the petrol station, I also got my tire pressure checked, and now we're on our way to the next destination.
Meet you, man.
Nice to meet you. How's your day going?
Good, yeah. We're going to Infraction. Rishikesh.
Rishikesh?
Yeah.
Okay, nice place. So how's India trip going on?
Good. It's stressful every day riding. Every day.
So much riding.
Yeah.
Have you done breakfast?
Yeah, we had breakfast.
Okay.
We have to hurry a little bit.
Have a great day.
You too, man.
Enjoy your journey.
Yeah.
Enjoy your journey too, man.
The best part of this ride wasn't the destinations, it was the moments. From seeing the camels in Rajasthan, the boy in Assam that waited for us at the toll gate, the lady in Karnataka who blessed the ride when she heard I was covering all the states. These are the things that stay with you long after the ride ends.
So this is a planned city by the architect and city planner, Corbusier.
Yeah.
And it's all made in grids. If anybody looks at the map, you'd say it's all very well planned.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yes.
And the roads are wide.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. But Chandigarh still remains somewhat of a heritage city, and all very architectural, popular with the French architects and the French. They love to come here,
Yeah.
photograph. Corbusier, lots of his works are here. His architecture is here. His woodwork is here. His furniture designs. So there's a lot to Chandigarh, and it is still one of the better cities in
Yeah, it feels very special. It's so different from all the other cities. Like,
Yes.
everything is super clean and like organized. No dust. Like, it's so cool. Yeah.
To live in Chandigarh is a bonus.
Yeah.
It's a bonus.
Absolutely. Thank you. Are you tired?
It's been a very hot
Yeah.
and humid day, so that's why I'm a little tired.
2 hours more.
Yeah, but also there's you gotta concentrate a lot on these roads because people come out of nowhere. So that's the only difficulty I would think.
But it's funny how small stops like these keep you going. A quick refill, a friendly face, a chance to stretch your back, and suddenly you're ready for another 300 kilometers. Not every day was perfect. Some days were brutal. From off-roading in the northeast, where it slowed everything down, to the heat in Rajasthan, and then there were those endless stretches where we questioned our life choices. When you ride across India, you realize how diverse, unpredictable, and beautiful this country truly is. Every state felt like a new world, but riding through all of them in one stretch, that's something I'll never forget. Thank you for following this journey. Like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.